How can we create bolder lines around some areas in our Excel document? First, I would suggest to select the area that you plan to make bold. Then in the very first tab, the Home tab, you will have an option to draw some lines in this section by formatting this whole thing as a table. So there's a special button here, Format as Table, when they give us some pre-made formats. Take a look, I can choose this one. They need to reconfirm the area of the table and click OK. And here it is. This is now format as the table, and by default you will get those extra bolder lines. Okay, there are many styles you can choose from. All of that is here. But what if you want to do it manually without setting up the table? You can do it as well, don't worry. In that case, you need to use the little drawing tool that is here around the font area. So I select all of that, open up border tool. Before you start, decide about the color of the border and then the thickness of it. So you can change the line style if you like. So change it first. I pick the bold one, and now I'm doing all borders. Bam, done. We make bold lines around this section. Keep in mind, you can do it even without numbers in, and you don't need to go only with all borders. Let's do outside borders. Here it is. Take a look. We got only the outside areas affected by this. Or you can do only bottom side of each table if you like. Top and bottom borders. Here it is. Alright, so there are many options here in the border section. Be sure you set up your color and line style before you start adding borders. If you mess up something, remember you can click here and then you can do no borders, and the borders are gone. No borders, all gone. Alright, so that's the default way we did it all for many years. Keep in mind now there's also additional way, just setting this area as a table if you like, but you can still do it the old way, no worries. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.